the Netherlands, they have a lot of tree that you couldn't eat. Look like this one. This look like a beans munggo in the Philippines. Look, this look like a beans, like sitaw actually. But it's only a look like. But you cannot eat this one. Hindi pwedeng kainin to. So sayang ano, parang it's so many pa naman. Look, this tree. Hitik na hitik sa bunga. So much ano sitaw. Sitaw-sitawan. And look at this other one. Parang is super delicious. Parang small apple, pero it's also not eatable. It's just a fruit from the tree, but it's good. This is for the bird. So at least the bird will enjoy it. Yeah. But it's really look yummy. See, they have a lot here in the park. Ayan oh. Tignan mo siya oh. It's like makopa, parang ganon. And look this one. It's really look at this. It's really like an apple or like a pear, but it tastes also like apple pear. Banchotan said, "My kalakwachero try to taste it, but I don't want to taste this one because maybe this is poisonous. Because actually, this is not for eating naman." Oh, ayan oh. Dami rin sa puno. So we just give it to the bird na lang. Bird will enjoy it. But look, it's so big, huh? Yeah. And here, we also have here like ipil-ipil. But it's not a ipil-ipil. But it's look like ipil-ipil here in the Netherlands. So this is kinds of tree, fruits, or how you call that, cannot eat it. So this is it. Pity.